there, art explorers! I love printmaking. Printmaking is when you make multiple copies of something. You can use rubber stamps for printmaking. You could carve a stamp out of an eraser or even a potato. You could use a printing plate like a piece of cardboard and put some ink or paint on it, press some paper down and pull a really cool print off. Printmaking is when you are making multiple copies of something. But did you know that you could even use Legos for printmaking? We've used base plates like this and have had really good luck using the flat tile pieces of Legos to make a pattern on our base plate. Then you can print two ways. One way, you could put a piece of paper on top, rub your design with a crayon, and then you've got a really interesting texture rubbing. What you can also do though is roll some ink on your Legos, pull the paper off, and make multiple copies of your design. We've made some really fun prints like these using Legos and blue ink. And I'm going to show you how you can make Lego prints today. You will need a base plate and some tile Legos, some paper, and some paint. You can see I'm arranging my Legos on my base plate. I thought sort of a strange flower design would be interesting. You can see what I'm doing in this situation is I put a piece of paper on top of my design and holding a crayon flat, I am rubbing it all over that piece of paper like a texture rubbing. Pretty easy. This one I am using a brayer, that's a roller. You could probably carefully paint on some paint, and I am spreading that ink all over the paper. I'm pressing the paper down on the Legos. I'm giving it a rub so I can carefully transfer the paint off the tiles. When I peel it off, there's my pattern. Printmaking makes a reverse copy of your design. I tried this out at home first with my family, and you can see we got a lot of pink tiles. Everybody made really interesting designs, and then we inked them up and printed our prints. I've also done this with my students, and in this case, you'll see that students plan their design first on graph paper and then put it on their base plates. Then they printed it up like I showed you. We had a lot of fun, and the challenge was to make artist trading cards that then the kids traded with each other. I would love to see what you do, guys. Bye!